Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here. So I wanted to go over step 4 in the Mindset360. So this is the review of Mark Hoverson's video. So in the video, Mark tells a little story about his life and how he got started and why he was trying so hard to make it. And in the very beginning, he talks about how he was depressed and he had a really bad problem. His family was very, very poor, and they didn't really have income coming in. They actually had their neighbors bringing them food and helping them survive, even though Mark continued to stash a little bit of money away because he had a drinking problem. He was always drinking to kind of suppress the depression. But he finally started seeking some help, and when speaking with one of his counselors, he had a breakthrough, and he realized that what he was doing was basically doing the same exact thing. You know, he's going in circles. He was never actually making the right moves. So he was trying to take shortcuts. He wasn't actually doing the right process. And one of the things that he realized is that he had no vision. You know, he had no vision for where he was going. He was just looking at his situation and staying in that situation. So when his counselor talked to him and he realized he needed a bigger vision, it really transformed his life. You know, and it's kind of like what Steve Jobs said. Steve Jobs said that you need to distort reality. So right now you're living in a reality, but your vision for the future is whatever reality you want to create. You got to use your imagination, distort reality, and it will become reality. So that's what you have to do in life. Basically, you have to be like the car on the road when you're doing something in business, right? So you're driving a car. The car has a windshield. When you're driving at 80, 90, 100 miles an hour, distractions are going to come at you. Negativity is going to come at you. But your car has a windshield. So you got to realize that those bugs, those negativity, the distractions, just let them get deflected by that windshield. Don't take them to heart. Don't take them personally. And you got to move forward with that. Faith is the evidence of things not seen. So you got to have faith. You got to truly believe it inside with your feelings, not just your thoughts, but your thoughts have to match your feelings, and they will manifest into reality. Your vision of where you are going has to be a reality already in your head. You have to literally close your eyes, see yourself accomplishing your goals, whatever it is, any task that you want, visualize it. Even if people think you're crazy, the vision is so real for you, those negativity and that haters, they just bounce off of you just like bugs off the windshield. Write your vision down also. Put it in paper. Very, very powerful. You have to believe it when no one else does. You have to deserve your future as well. So when you write these things down, you can't just sit there and not actually focus on them or work towards them. You have to earn it as well. So Mark came out with a system that actually helped him get through his negativity, helped create his next steps in life. And that system, what he did is he actually recorded it because he wanted his children to be able to have that knowledge in the future. And that is called the Solomon CEO. But what he did was he had come up with a system and he was teaching it to people. And people were asking him so often about this system that he realized he should just make a video and have steps to go through. So that's what he did. He actually created a video. He made some steps that you can follow step by step in the process. And actually inside Salesvision, Solomon CEO is available if you upgrade. That is definitely in there. But he also talks about living a heart-centered life, right? So living from the heart, living with caring, living with love. And that also helps all of your goals, your dreams, ambition come together because you're truly living it out with gratitude and love in your heart. So anyway, that's step number 4 in the Mindset 360 training from Asia Roberts. Thank you so much for the training, and I hope to see you guys in the group with us as well. So don't forget, sign up if you're trying to make more sales for your online business, or you've never had an online business, you want to start one. Well, this is a step-by-step process here. This is step number 4. Join us, make your videos, and if you have any questions, let me know. You can go to winwithryan.com, and that will get you some help there, or just reach out to me. Have a wonderful day. Bye. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple different sources and on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me on increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. Have a great day.